Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to change the field name in QlikView. Basically, field name is nothing but your column name itself. So how we can change the field name or column name of a table? Okay, so that we will see. So I'll go over here, click on the file, go to edit script, or you can press also Control plus E to go to the script. As you can see over here from this load, I have loaded the data, which is basically a sales data, sample sales data Excel. Basically, I have loaded a Excel file, Excel sheet over here, orders Excel sheet. So I want to rename this particular row ID to anything else, whichever I want. So this is basically a field name. So this can be changed. So row ID can be changed into row number. So I'll click on OK. I'll show you over here. So whenever it is being clicked on reload, the data is being loaded. Whenever I will press Control T, so you can see over here row ID. Now I will change it to row number. Go to the edit script, click on Control plus E. Only we have to type over here as row ID as square bracket row number. Only this we have typed over here that row ID will be changed into row number. Then click on OK. Click on reload. Make sure that you have to click on reload whenever you are making change into the script. The data is being loaded, and we have to see that whether the name from row ID is changed to row number. I will press Ctrl T. So you can see over here that the field name from row ID it is being changed to row number. So in this way we can make the change into the script. It is not going to affect the original data. We have to make sure that whatever will be the data from Excel sheet, from Excel file we have taken. So the main data or the original data is going to remain as it is. So we are going to make the change in the QlikView. So we can make the change with the help of script. I hope you have understood how to change the field name in QlikView. Thanks for watching.